guys, it's Machaela and welcome back to my channel and welcome to my makeup monthly for the month, where I go over any makeup I picked up this month or any empties that I went through and some thoughts on these products. Let's start with the one holiday launch that I did get this year. I want to say this launched maybe 2 years ago and they brought it back, but it's the Colourpop Rudolph collection. I'm not gonna lie, I bought this for the packaging. Formula wise, I've tried better from Colourpop. It's okay, and color story wise, it's nothing I don't already have in my collection, but again, I bought it for the nostalgia. I bought it for the packaging, and I will be using it this holiday season just because it is so cute. But I've tried a lot better from Colourpop. I also picked up their lip kit. It's the red one. I haven't really gotten my thoughts on this yet. I just haven't really had a chance to play around with it. I have tried it on and I did like the way it felt on the lips. I haven't worn it all day yet, but again, I'm sure that as we're in the holiday season, I will probably wear it more. But I do like the color of this. I like how the cranberry tones in here is a perfect match to the cranberry tones in this palette, especially like this area over here. So that's nice, and again, formula wise, I actually really do like it. I also picked up the Colourpop brow pencil. I picked it up in the red tones just because my hair is colored red, so I wanted something to match my hair. However, I'm wondering if I should have just stuck to the usual taupe that I usually do. My hair is naturally like a dishwater blonde color, which is what works best with my brows, but formula wise, I don't hate it, and quite honestly, I don't mind that I have a red brow pencil in my collections, or when my hair is more of a freshly colored red. I need to color it. I haven't colored it since Mother's Day, but for when my hair is that more of that fresher red after a fresh dye, this will be a better shade match to that. And then I also picked up the Clinique Black Honey. I know it's a classic. It's been on my wish list forever. I finally picked it up, and I understand the hype around this. For some reason, I thought the packaging would be a little bit more luxurious. Like, it feels like cheap packaging to me. And right after I bought this, they launched their holiday packaging, so I was a little bit bummed out about that. But the color is gorgeous. It's a balmy feeling. I mean, it's one of those colors where it's like I can put it on my lips. I don't have to worry about transfer, but it still feels very balmy and moisturizing, and it feels like, it doesn't feel like lipstick, but it kind of gives that effect, like just gives your lips that color without feeling like it's a lipstick or transferring like a lipstick, which is perfect for me because I am a mother and I don't like lipstick that gets everywhere. It's just one more mess that I have to deal with, but it still gives me that color on the lips. I have been wearing this non-stop since I bought it. Then we've got a couple of items that my husband actually bought me. They were my stocking stuffers that he decided that I didn't want to stuff in my stocking. He gets really excited around this time of year and he just couldn't wait to give them to me, so he did stop by Ulta. He picked up this Hydro Burst Morning Mask by Moly. I haven't heard of the brand. He wanted to just get me some skincare, some stuff that I would use, and I really do like it. It smells really good. It smells like aloe vera. I don't like a lot of scentsy stuff, but I told him that I do like this scent, and if you did want to put this scent like as a smell for our house, I would be okay with it because it feels natural. He likes heavy scents. I like the bare minimum, and I don't like artificial or anything super strong. So I told him that aloe vera is a good scent if you can find something that smells like that to make our house smell like something. But personally, I just like to put on the essential oils and call it good, but it's just not quite strong enough for him. So I told him this is a good scent to work, and I've been using it as a moisturizer, but I know you're supposed to use it as a face mask. I don't wash it off when I use it. I just let it sit and dry down, but I know you can, and I know it would probably feel really good, but this feels really good like under skincare, or I'll probably end up putting this in my nighttime skincare routine, but I do really like this. Then a couple more of my stocking stuffer items were items that he picked up that he didn't realize were my favorite. So starting with the Badescu facial spray. This is more or less a repurchase. I've had a couple of other scents like this. I keep a small collection of these in the various scents in my collection just because I like these for like freshening up my makeup look, putting them on before foundation as like I love a good facial spray. And I don't really have a favorite scent one over the other. They all smell pretty good. So this is just the one with aloe, herbs, and rose water. So I'm super glad to have another one of these in my collection. So this does count as a repurchase because I used up a full-size one of these not too long ago. I still have a few more left, but I do like having these in my collection, particularly this brand. They just feel so good on the skin. And then the next item, if you watched my makeup monthly, I want to say a couple months ago at this point, you'll know that I got rid of, or that I used up the Benefit Porefessional Super Setter, and he picked up a new one. This was on my repurchase list. He picked me up the mini, and he did not realize this was my favorite, so I'm so happy to have this back in my collection. Again, really excited. This is like the equivalent to the Urban Decay All-Nighter for me. I don't like one more or the other. It's just, this was definitely one I wanted to get back into my collection as soon as I could. I have a few empties. One of them is hair care. This is the Project Beauty Hairgurt. Yeah, it's called the Hairgurt. That sounds really weird saying it out loud, but I got this in my BoxyCharm about a year ago. I used it up this week, and I do like it. I don't like it enough to repurchase it. I still have a lot of hair masks in my collection. I just got one from Drunk Elephant in this month's BoxyCharm, so I am wanting to use some of those before I use this again, and I just have a couple more that I like better, but I didn't hate it. And then I picked this up a while ago. It's the Purity Facial Cleanser, and I mean, high-end facial cleanser. It doesn't do anything different than I feel like a drugstore facial cleanser does, so I will not be repurchasing the full size or repurchasing the mini unless it comes on a good sale one of these days. But I mean, it worked. It was good. And then this next item I broke, or it fell out. It was the Colourpop Lippy Pencil. It was ready to be done for anyway, so I'm calling it an empty, and it was good. It was, you know, it was a creamy formula. I liked it. I don't like the pencils. I feel like it just dries out too easy, and you get to the point where it just falls out, and it's a lot of maintenance, so I don't see myself getting any more of these. But it was good. I mean, it was good for what it was. It was good for the price point, just not something I want to get again. And also another BoxyCharm item that I used up. It's the Petite and Pretty Mascara. It was just okay. Wasn't my favorite mascara. I didn't hate it, but I will not be repurchasing that. So overall, I felt like a good collection of stuff. Everything I got was just kind of okay, with the exception of a couple of things, and then the things that my husband bought me were phenomenal. Again, he didn't realize they were my favorite when he bought them, so I'm happy about that. But yeah, that's pretty much it aside from my BoxyCharm items from the month. I will leave that video linked in the end screen or down below, or probably both. But if you are new here, welcome to my channel. I do videos focusing on beauty and lifestyle, and my goal on this platform is to share my love for beauty as well as my love for Jesus Christ as my Lord and Savior. So if that's what you're into, hit that subscribe button, and if not, but you still want to stick around, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.